Security and risk. It looks simple, right? Until it isn't. Tools multiply, alert fatigue sets in, visibility blurs, complexity becomes unmanageable. Meet Jordan, an IT manager trying to keep up. Some risks scream, others hide. And often, it's what you don't see that causes the most damage. Jordan needs help. Blind spots, misconfigurations, unknown admin accounts, quiet risks with loud consequences. You don't know what you don't know. From a single console, Guardare connects people, devices, and software, identifies and prioritizes risks, and provides simple, step-by-step, paint-by-numbers instructions on how to remediate those issues. It's not just AI, it's your new analyst who has your back. Human and AI collaboration, highlighting risks, guiding decisions, and keeping you in control. The guide page shows you the why behind the what, backed by popular security frameworks and compliance policies. Always actionable and easy to interpret. Fewer surprises, alert fatigue relief, clear priorities, and a team that finally knows exactly where they stand. Guardare, guarding your future today.